from the noise, from the weight on my back. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back. I needed a breath just to get my soul intact. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back.
Quiet lifting up like a promise in the dark. Holding every piece of me, I almost pulled apart. I ran for a moment just to find what I lacked. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back.
Yeah, I stepped out cause the battlefield got loud in my head. Expectations on my shoulders turning gold into lead. People think a little distance mean I'm lost or I'm stuck, but I was sharpening the version of me built from the dust. Never ran from the love, never ran from the fight. Just ran from the pressure that was blocking my sight. Had to train in the shadows so my choices feel exact. I ain't folding, I ain't falling, I'm just learning how to act. If I vanish for a minute, don't assume it's defeat. I've been laying down the groundwork you don't see in the street. Faith in my own timing is a skill I had to stack. So I ran for a moment, but I swear and I'll be back. Distance ain't desertion, it's me setting up the track. Trust me, I'll be back.
I ran from the noise, from the weight on my back. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back. I needed a breath just to get my soul intact. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back. Cause you're lifting up like a promise in the dark. Holding every piece of me, I almost pulled apart. I ran for a moment just to find what I lacked. But trust me, I'll be back. But trust me, I'll be back.
Some nights I disappear, but ain't no ghost in my stride. Just a man rebuilding armor that he dropped to the side. People quick to say you changing when you pause and adapt, but the ones that really know you understand the recap. Growth ain't pretty when you're taking off the patterns you wore. When you're relearning how to show up like the version they asked for. I ain't perfect, I ain't polished, but I'm steady on the track. Had to leave just for a second, but I swear I'll be back.
Give me time to breathe, time to rise, time to realign. I ran from the pressure, but the purpose still mine. Every step away is just me circling to attack. Believe me when I tell you that I'm coming right back. I ran from the noise, from the weight on my back. But trust me, I'll be back. Yeah, trust me, I'll be back. I needed a breath just to get my soul intact.